What is ATP? ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate, a molecule that provides energy for many processes in living organisms. It is often referred to as the energy currency of the cell because it stores and releases energy as needed to power biological functions. Structure of ATP. 1. Adenine, a nitrogenous base. 2. Ribose, a sugar molecule. 3. Three phosphate groups, connected in a chain with high-energy bonds between them. How ATP works. 1. Energy storage. ATP stores energy in the bonds between its phosphate groups. The most energy is stored in the bond between the second and third phosphate. 2. Energy release. When a cell needs energy, ATP breaks down into ADP, adenosine diphosphate, and a free phosphate group through a process called hydrolysis. This reaction releases energy that the cell can use for its processes. Functions of ATP. 1. Energy for cellular processes. Powers muscle contraction, nerve impulses, and active transport in cells. 2. Biosynthesis. Provides energy for building molecules like proteins, DNA, and RNA. 3. Transport. Fuels the movement of substances across cell membranes like ions and nutrients. 4. Signaling. Acts as a signaling molecule in cell communication. Where does ATP come from? ATP is generated in the mitochondria of cells through a process called cellular respiration. 1. Glycolysis, breakdown of glucose into pyruvate, produces a small amount of ATP. 2. Krebs cycle, generates energy-rich molecules like NADH and FAD8-2. 3. Electron transport chain, produces the majority of ATP by using oxygen to drive energy production. Why is ATP important? 1. Universal energy source. Almost all living organisms rely on ATP for energy. 2. Quick energy transfer. ATP can be rapidly broken down to release energy, making it an efficient energy source. 3. Regeneration. ATP is constantly recycled. A single molecule of ATP can be used and regenerated thousands of times in a single day. Other contexts for ATP. 1. In sports. ATP may refer to energy systems in the body, especially in short bursts of activity like sprinting or lifting weights. 2. In acronyms. In non-scientific contexts, ATP can mean things like at the point, tech slang, or association of tennis professionals in sports. In biology, however, ATP is essential. Without it, life as we know it wouldn't exist.